and today I'm going to make a simple mango pastry recipe for my parents, and happy Parents Day to all the parents. And let's check the ingredients. So here we need 4 slices of bread, sugar syrup, cherries, mango pulp, sprinkles and fresh mango cubes for the pastry. So now we'll start by cutting the sides of our bread. So here we need our scissors, and with the help of the scissors, cut your sides of the bread like this. All the sides should be cut. Everyone, I think you liked my recipe, and this is for my parents who helped me in my life. And happy Parents Day to all the parents. Thank you.